To serve the local female community better, Fitchburg has Physicians for Women, specializing in obstetrics and gynecology.
Physicians for Women was the first obstetric group in Madison to take the leap in technology and provide 4D ultrasound to our patients. The ultrasound provides incredible high-resolution images that confirm all is developing normally in a woman's pregnancy. Demand for more incredible ultrasounds in our obstetric patients has prompted us to offer Reveal ultrasounds. They're performed at the patient's request in the second and third trimesters. The program has been incredibly popular and fun and provides beautiful and memorable ultrasound images to the parents of the baby-to-be.
We are one of the few clinics in Madison, being a small private clinic, who has the ability to innovate and do things that others aren't doing. Is we have moved 2 of our procedures from the operating room setting to the office setting. The first one I'm going to talk about is the NovaSure ablation. That is a surgical procedure for treatment of abnormal bleeding. So women come to us with bleeding that has led to a health problem or a quality of life issue, and historically the treatment for that is either using hormonal therapy or surgery. It's a lot to go through for a small procedure that we have found much simpler to do in the office setting, where a patient comes in, they spend less time here in the office than they would in the operating room or the hospital, and it's done under local anesthesia where they're able to go home within an hour or 2 after the procedure itself. The second procedure that we've moved from the operating room setting to the office setting is called the eSure procedure, and it is a form of permanent sterilization. The eSure procedure is a procedure that we do in the clinic through the cervix using a small camera where there are no incisions. The eSure procedure, we found that to be on par with a vasectomy in terms of offering the woman a choice as far as permanent long-term birth control.
Our group of board-certified doctors and nurse practitioners began the first private and independent OBGYN practice in the greater Madison area in 2001. And our success has only grown from there.
In 2001, my partners and I were looking for a location to set up a new women's health clinic, and we searched the surrounding communities around Madison and identified Fitchburg as a place that really had a perfect niche for us. It has a beautiful growing population of young people who are having babies, and it had a perfect location where we are right here on McKee Road.
Physicians for Women is very involved in our local community with a local splash pad in Fitchburg, with the Susan Komen breast cancer race, particularly with the JDRF, with our local chapter of the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation.
Life is full of challenges. Finding a great physician to care for you shouldn't be one of them.
Physicians for Women, located at 2955 Triverton Pike Drive, mscwomenshealth.com. You can contact them at 608-227-7007.